Hello and welcome to your own channel. Let's talk business once again. I am Ravi and we have a couple of important things to discuss on the London Market Gateway Services under the Blueprint 2 initiative. So let's start talking business. As I said before, I'm not talking about anything new here. All this material and information are available in various online resources. I am just trying to represent things in much more simplistic way for easy consumption and understanding, and also addressing some of the requests which I'm getting through various emails. All right, so let's go ahead. So what we are trying to understand, the movement of old messaging infrastructure to the new messaging gateway. Now, what are these old messaging infrastructure? It got three components: XAG, Exchanging ACORD Gateway, Xchanging Distribution Hub, Exchanging File Gateway. All right, and now all this infrastructure is moving to ASG Adapt. ASG stands for ACORD Solution Group, and Adapt stands for ACORD Data Exchange Platform and Translator. So let's try to understand what is going on here. So we will first try to understand what is this component, and then we will try to understand what is this component, and then we'll try to understand why all these things are happening. First thing first, Exchanging ACORD Gateway. Now, Exchanging ACORD Gateway or XAG plays a crucial role in facilitating communication and data exchange within the London insurance market, ensuring efficient and standard process of various services. It handles the receipt, validation, translation, and forwarding of incoming and outgoing ACORD messages or ACORD-like messages, say for example ACORD for all. It's basically a gateway services between the DXC Bureau Services, which we also known as Velonotics and formerly known by name Xchanging, and the London market broker and carriers. There was an effort a couple of years back to replace the XAG with ACORD iConductor, which was a new messaging services aimed to improve the messaging infrastructure. But I'm not sure if the implementation of iConductor really happened or not. The next part of this conversation is Xchanging Distribution Hub or XDH. Xchanging Distribution Hub also plays a crucial role in ensuring the efficient and secure communication across the insurance market. XDH acts as an intermediary of handling the different type of messages created or processed by Velonotics as a bureau services and facilitate the exchange of data between the market participant like broker, carrier and other stakeholder. It handled messages like ECF, account and settlement, electronic placing, electronic technical and financial account messages, and electronic claim movements. The final element in the messaging infrastructure or in the messaging gateway infrastructure is Exchanging File Gateway or XFG. Exchanging File Gateway, just like XAG and XDH, plays a very important role in managing message traffic within the London insurance market by enhancing the efficiency and correctness of all the messages which is coming in and going out. The XFG was a short-term project aimed to replace the certain component of XDH. The primary goal of XFG is to replace the existing, by then, a ServView FTP tool with the Sterling File Gateway. A Sterling File Gateway is an application designed to facilitate the transfer of file between the business partner using various protocol like naming convention, like file format, etc. It's a part of IBM Sterling B2B integration suite. So if you can see today's status of XAG, XDH and XFG, all the services are up and running. There was an instance a couple of days back on either XDH or FXG which was recovered. Now all the services are in green status. So now since we understand XAG, XDH and XFG, let's stitch all together. XDH handles the wide range of messages and communication, while the XAG specifically manage ACORD related messages in insurance market, and the XFG is designed to facilitate the secure transfer of large files and data set within the insurance market leveraging the IBM Sterling File Gateway. All these platforms are essential for facilitating industry communication and serve as a messaging backbone in the London insurance market. Now, since we got a little understanding about the XAG, XDH and XFG, let's go to the next slide and try to understand what is this ASG Adapt Gateway. Here is the ASG Adapt Gateway in nutshell. If you can see here, the ASG Adapt Gateway sits in the center, and all the cedant, insurance and reinsurance broker and insurance and reinsurance company can interact with ASG Gateway. On the other hand side, placement platform like Whitespace and BPL or market system vendors or Blueprint 2 services can also interact with ASG Gateway. How these services can interact with ASG Adapt Gateway? Through XML, through APIs, or ASG Adapt Gateway got its own portal services as well. But why we wanted to have this ASG Adapt Gateway? Because it's a secure, decentralized, and the data in the ASG Gateway is very easy to reconcile and it's a real time. But we will touch each aspect in the later part of this presentation. But before that, right, let's start from the basic. What is ASG, by the way? Well, ASG stands for ACORD Solution Group. ACORD Solution Group was established in 2016 as an industry-owned extension of ACORD, aimed to support the implementation of ACORD standards by reducing risk, cost, and deployment time. Their primary focus is on providing the digital solution for insurance data exchange. Here are some of the key products tailored specifically for the insurance industry by XAG. The first one is ACORD Transcriber. Now, this solution leverages AI technology to automate the extraction, download, and population of data in the insurance document. It streamlines the data processing and enhances the efficiency. The second key product what they have is ACORD Conductor. Now, ACORD Conductor is designed for ACORD GRLC message standard, which stands for Global Reinsurance and Large Commercial Messaging Standard. ACORD conductors serve as a messaging orchestration services, and it specifically catered to the London commercial and specialty insurance market and facilitating the seamless data exchange and translation. The third services is ACORD Converter. This integrates the data from various disparate sources using the ACORD standard and ensure more efficient message processing. It bridges the gap between the different data format and system. And finally, Adapt. Adapt is a secure data exchange platform powered by ACORD. It links the trading partners, validate the data structures, enable the real-time data exchange, translation, and transformation. Adapt enhances the data accuracy, speed, and security. Now, why Blueprint 2 is adopting ASG Adapt? Now, Lloyd Blueprint 2 is working to make sharing information faster, accurate, and safer. This is really important because of the emerging risk and the insurance market expectation globally are changing rapidly. And the ASG Adapt gateway fits well in this equation. Let me tell you why and why this is a part of the Blueprint 2 program. Adapt or ASG Adapt supports the Lloyd's initiative to modernize the London market by providing the platform for the real-time data exchange, translation, and transformation. Adapt employs the ACORD GRRC or ACORD Global Reinsurance and Large Commercial Messaging Standard, which is an integral part of the Lloyd's Blueprint 2 initiative for updating or upgrading the messaging infrastructure or market standard in terms of the real-time data exchange. Adapt has a collection of APIs for smooth communication between the various market system and the central services or the placing platform. It aligns with the Blueprint 2's overall aim to create a digital marketplace. By integrating the Adapt, the market can swiftly provide the advanced cloud solution and services to the customer in a very easy and low cost. The Data Council of London Market Group, LMG, decided that ACORD standard should be the official method of data exchange in the market, and Adapt is specifically designed for the ACORD standard. So technology vendor and solution provider are using the Adapt to establish the consistent communication. This is essential for digitizing the London marketplace. Well, this is all about today's presentation. I hope you have learned something from this presentation. If you have any questions or any doubt, do send me an email. I will try to respond it back. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye. See you soon.